or an infectious virus. Whether quote unquote good or bad, right or wrong, you have the power to program your mind with whatever you want.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Why repetition is where the power lies.
Knock, knock!
Energy conforms to patterns, and the understanding and use of these patterns is magic. Philip Cooper. Repetition, repetition, repetition. How long has Panic been saying symbols, repetition, and trauma? Symbols, repetition, and trauma impact the subconscious mind. Now I know everyone likes dealing with symbols, but what are these symbols around your altar, around your home, in your words? What are they really doing? Well, in your continuous seeing of these objects or relaying of these affirmations are how you're going to program your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind is what dictates your reality. Just look at the news. Fear, fear, fear. And you wonder why you're waking up in the middle of the night looking for the boogeyman. Repetition is key in beating your subconscious mind into submission. Remember, you are a computer, and whatever you program your computer with is how the computer will run.
Message!
No matter if it's a fun computer game or an infectious virus. Whether quote unquote good or bad, right or wrong, you have the power to program your mind with whatever you want. You also have the foolery to let something else program you continuously. Free choice, remember? It is up to you to have the willpower and strength to deprogram the things that are no longer serving you. You just have to step into your power and consistently do what your new programming is calling for. When you're in this consistent state of your newfound vibration, just know things are going to be coming to you. Your addictions and your old programming ways want to stay alive. And in order to play with the new software correctly, you must stop going back to the old format of your ideals. You're used to what you're used to, and in being used to your automatic response, it's going to take some time for you to get adjusted and comfortable with the new program set out for you. Your conscious mind is going to continually show you things and give you ideas to turn back to your old software. It's up to you to have the willpower to break through that outdated system and get into character. Stay in character. It's a journey within, but the journey is just as important as the end result. Tap into your consistency. This repeat pattern is going to shape you up for success and power in this war zone. Dream wise.